Hello friends, welcome back to another informative video on business topics. In today's video, we discuss what exactly are altcoins. Altcoins are also cryptocurrency, but any type of it except Bitcoin. It means altcoins are generally defined as all cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin, or BTC. Altcoin is basically a combination of the two words alternative and coin, and that coin is Bitcoin, obviously. Altcoins belong to the blockchains they were explicitly designed for. Many are forks, a splitting of a blockchain that is not compatible with the original chain. Now coming to the point, what do altcoins and why are they used? The answer is, altcoins attempt to improve upon the perceived limitations of whichever cryptocurrency and blockchain they are forked from or competing with. Many altcoins are circulating in the market these days, but the most famous of them are Ethereum is the most well-known altcoin, and it's much more than just another cryptocurrency for many investors and enthusiasts alike. Similarly, Binance, XRP, Cardano are some examples likewise. Altcoins come in various flavors and categories. They may be payment tokens, stablecoins, security tokens, etc. Moving forward in this video, here giving you some pros and cons of altcoins. No doubt, altcoins are improve upon another cryptocurrency's weaknesses, have higher survivability, investors can choose from a wide variety of altcoins. But altcoins have a smaller investment market compared to Bitcoin. Moreover, there are several dead altcoins that ended up sinking investors' dollars. That makes it a bit risky. All over, you should consider investing in altcoins if you're going to make crypto part of your portfolio and you have time to spend researching them. I hope you get to know much about the basic meaning of altcoins. See you in our next video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.